guys and welcome to different Russia channel. Today we start our adventures from the small park. Here is the monument to Taras Shevchenko. That is the monument. And we will go in the direction of metro station, which is called Rustaveli. So we'll go along the prospect, which is called Chechevadze. For me it's rather difficult to pronounce the names of the street because I often forget those names. I can't get used to the new names. So here is the small park with the monument, and that is our first stop for today. The small park over here with the monument to Taras Shevchenko, and we will go in the direction of Freedom Square, Shata Rustaveli Avenue, that way. In the city, guys, they have many such fountains, so you can drink water or wash your hands, for example. Melikishvili Avenue, number 8. At the moment we are here. That's how the newspaper stand looks like. Not often, but they sell newspapers and magazines. Some pharmacy, apotheka. I do not know much historical info about the city, so just my first impressions, go around, have a look. So if you would like to know some historical info, that is definitely not here. Oh, some books, second-hand books. Also, I have noticed a lot of public buses here, and what is unusual for me, the bus stop is in the center of the street, in the center of the road, so between the lines. In my area where I live, bus stops are usually on the side of the road. Mirab Kastova Street, 24. On this particular street, guys, I have noticed many beggars, or I don't know how to call them. I'm not sure that they are homeless. I think the correct word is beggars. They are sitting near the shops and ask for money. And also they are not friendly towards passengers. That's what I have noticed. City fast food, guys. The prices from 11, minimum is 11 and maximum is 17 lires. Oh, the hotels here. The rate of dollar and the rate of euro. Rustaveli metro station. So it took me about 15 minutes on foot. Not very far from the place where we started. We are almost in the center, guys. The center of the city. We go in the direction of the historical center. Old city, Старый город. Again, some old books. In Russian, guys. Oh, that is McDonald's. Alex would be happy. Maybe I also should go. Now it's about 4 o'clock. Maybe to go and have lunch.